Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the Be Smart Get Prepared First Aid Kit, a top-tier choice for safety and emergency preparedness. This kit, crafted by the leading manufacturer of first aid kits in the USA, boasts an impressive 326 pieces of comprehensive first aid treatment products, ensuring you're well equipped for any situation. Designed to meet or exceed OSHA guidelines for 100 people, it's perfect for businesses, homes, schools, and more, offering peace of mind whether you're at the office, camping, or on the road. The kit features a rugged, high-density plastic case that's impact-resistant, with fully organized interior compartments for quick and easy access. With 2 separate layers for large and small first aid products, plus tilting shelves for effortless refills, you'll find everything you need at your fingertips. It can be wall-mounted or folded compactly for storage, and its easy slide latches ensure everything stays securely in place. Don't forget, it even includes a refill order form to keep your kit fully stocked and ready for any emergency. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.